Why don't self-closing script elements work? What is the reason browsers do not correctly recognize? Only this is recognized. Does this break the concept of XHTML support? Note, this statement is correct for IE 6 to 8 beta 2. XHTML1 specification says, C.3, element minimization and empty element content. Given an empty instance of an element whose content model is not empty, for example, an empty title or paragraph, do not use the minimized form. For example, use open paragraph close paragraph, and not paragraph backslash. XHTML DTD specifies script elements as the follows. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.